Hello, dear audience. I hope that you will be feeling really good. My name is Shahid Manzoor, and today I'm going to discuss about the scheme of civil service examination. So, what's civil service examination and what are the stages in the civil service examination? There are mainly three stages in the civil service examination. The first one is prelims, and the second one is mains, and the third one is interview. As far as the prelims is concerned, in the prelims we have two papers of GS. One is GS1 and another one is the paper of CSAT. So it means that there are two papers in the prelims. One is the paper of the general studies and another one is the paper of CSAT. Now, as far as the paper of GS is concerned or general studies is concerned, there we have the subjects like polity, history, geography, economics, science and technology, and environment, and as well as current affairs. As far as the CSAT is concerned, there we have reasoning, mathematics, and we have also the passage from the English section. Now, prelims is mainly the objective type. In both CSAT as well as the GS paper of prelims, the format is MCQ, that's multiple choice questions. There is a one question and there are four options for each question, and you have to pick one option which will be correct among the four. Now let's go towards the mains. In mains we have got the four papers of GS. One is general studies paper 1, general studies paper 2, general studies paper 3, general studies paper 4. So these are four general studies papers in mains, and mains is a written based test. There the questions will be asked and you have to write the answers for the questions. And besides the four GS papers, in the mains we have two papers of optional subject. The four GS papers will be for each and every aspirant who will be sitting in the mains examination, but as far as the optional is concerned, that's your personal choice. There are different optional subjects which have been given in the syllabus of the UPSC, and you can choose one optional which will be of your own choice. And there are two papers of that subject which will be asked in the mains, and there is one another paper, that is essay paper. Okay, so it means that there are four general studies papers, two optional papers, and one essay paper. So this comprises of nearly seven papers. That's there are seven papers in the overall mains examination, for GS, two optional, and one will be essay. Now, if you will qualify the mains examination, then you will go to the interview, and in the interview, which is also called as personality test, so there the board will sit and will take your interview and will judge your personality, and based on that will give you the marks. So this was the overall scheme of the civil service examination. That is, you have got prelims, you have got mains, and you have got interview. In case of prelims, you have got two papers. One is general studies paper, another one is CSAT, and which is multiple choice questions based, that's MCQ based. And Then you have mains, which is an written examination. There are 4 general studies papers which are compulsory for every aspirant, and then 2 optional papers depending on what you have chosen your optional, and then 1 essay paper which is also compulsory for every student. And then comes the interview, which is a personality test in which the concerned board will judge your personality and will give you the marks according to your personality. Thank you so much. This was the video regarding the scheme of the civil service examination. I hope that you would have understood the things very nicely. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.